Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel UBK Tech. I hope you are fine. So today I am bringing new cloud mining earning website which is given $4.5 for free on sign up bonus, which you can use in your investment plan, and you can get unlimited cryptocurrency and multiple cryptocurrency you can mining in this website. So now I will show you the all process how you can mine from this website, so don't skip video. So let's move to our video. First off, you have required website link which is in description. You can directly go from there. So here you can see the interface of this website. You can earn unlimited mine cryptocurrency from this website. This website is totally new, just 1 day old. Here you can see you will get free bonuses every 6 hours, and you can get free mining powers on refer your friends. You can get quick withdrawal without any commission, instant withdrawal, earn up to 6% per day. So here you can see their plans, free plans without $0. You will get 450 hash powers sign up bonus, and you can mine easily. Okay, so now just create your account. So just click on register now. Just provide here your username, email address, password, then repeat password, agree terms and conditions, whole captcha, then just click on register. Your account will be created. After create account, just log in your account. Okay, here you can see I have received 450 hash powers to mine any cryptocurrency. Here is the given Bitcoin. You can mine Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrency which you want. You can mine through cloud mining without any work. Just create account and start mining. Okay, so now I recommend you can mine Litecoin, Dogecoin, TRX and USDT. So mine anyone. I am mining TRX, which minimum withdraw is 150 TRX, which you can get withdraw easily. Okay, so now select anyone, just start full this power on 100%. It will be auto start to mine. Okay, then now I will show you how you can get withdraw and how you can get bonuses. So just click on menu bar. Here you can see the bonus option. So just click on bonus. Here you can see every 6 hours you can get 1 to 5 hash powers every claim. So just click on get bonus. Okay, I have received 2 hash powers. Okay, here is the bounty option. You can upload this website video on YouTube and share links on websites, social website, Facebook, etc. and many other social platforms to get many referrals and include in bounty to get unlimited hash powers. So then provide here your video link or your website link where you share this website knowledge, then they will review and get you the bonuses. Here you can see the all bonuses. I have get 2 hash powers. Okay, from get bonus you can use affiliate and bounty option as well. It's the best option to get more profit from this website. So now here's the affiliate. So just click on affiliate to invite your friends and get every referral. You will get 1 hash powers. If they invest, you will get 15% for each deposit of first level referrals and 5% of first deposit on second level referrals. Okay, here's the link affiliate. You can share with your friends and earn more money and get more income. So here I will show you what is the minimum withdrawal in this website. So here is the FAQ. So let's check in FAQ. Okay, so here you can see what is the minimum withdrawal. So here you can see in Bitcoin you will get 0.005 BTC. Here is the TRX option. Okay, you can get withdraw 150 TRX, 150 Dogecoin and 10 USDT. Which currency you want, you can mine from this website without any work. Just create your account and start mine. If you want to increase your more income, then invite your friend. So now if you want to deposit in this website, now I am showing how you can deposit in this website. So just click on deposit. Okay, so now select any one currency in which you want to deposit. Are you paying from this currency? Okay, select any one, then just put here total amount USDT dollar, how much USD you want to invest. If you want to invest 5, then just press here 5. Okay, so now you have need to deposit 71.5758 TRX to deposit in this website. Then you will get 500 hash powers. Okay, which it will increase your earning speed and you can get more profit from this website. Okay, so now I am showing in last how you can get withdraw from this website. So go to the your currency which you want to get withdraw when you reach on your threshold. Okay, here you can see I will get withdraw in Tron when I reach on 150 TRX. Then here is the withdrawal option, so just click on withdraw. Okay, then just provide here total amount which you have available, it will be autofill. Then just provide here your wallet address where you want to get withdraw, copy from your wallet address and paste here. Then just click on withdraw. The withdraw immediately instant send you in your account from this website and you will get your balance. So now I showed you the all process how you can earn from this website in free, in deposit, and how you can get withdraw and how you can increase your earning powers. So now if you want to watch more videos like this, so subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest update. Also like video to motivate me, and Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care.